Today we are working on an e-bike with a hub motor, and we are changing a rear flat tire. First thing we need to do is get the bicycle upside down like this. It makes it a lot easier to work on. We're going to start with the core right here, and we're going to rotate the tire looking for the puncture. Now if it's glass, it's very possible you'll have to replace the tire. But if it's something small, a brad, small nail, thorn, no problem. Now when we find it, make a little mark on the tire. That way you know exactly where it is, and try to remove the object from the tire. Once we do that, and we found out where it was, we want to remove the wheel from the bike. So that's the next thing we're going to do. On this hub drive bicycle, there is a wire that comes out of the motor right here, comes over to the frame, and there is a connection right here, and it's zip tied to the frame. So we have to remove that zip tie. Be very careful, cut it off. After we remove the zip tie, we have to disconnect the cable right here. What I did is I took a piece of tape and marked it on both sides to help us to get it back in position, because there's going to be multi pins in there. They usually go one way, but that will help us to get it in the right spot. Next thing we have to do is take these covers off the axle nuts. There's one on each side. And this is the cover on the disc brake side. Come right off. Next we have to take the axle nuts off. On this bike there's a little plate that the axle nut screws to, so we have to remove this small Allen head bolt here. And the axle nut on this bike is a 18 millimeter. Alright, we got that one loose. Let's go over on the other side. Alright, let's remove this small Allen head bolt just like the other side. See if we can get our box wrench on there. Yeah. On the derailleur side, we need to remove this nut so we have enough of space to get by. Alright, our wheel should come out now. A little bit of finagling to get that out. But she's all out. Now we got to get the tube out. Okay, we're almost there. Now we're going to take a light and check the inside of that tire all the way around. Make sure there's no problems, anything protruding in there. Alright, the tire looks good, so we can put our new tube in. Tube's got a little air in it. Okay, tube's all in. Now we got to put the air in it. Double check that, make sure it looks even all the way around. Okay, all right, it's good to go. Now we got to put the wheel back in. We are locked in. The little tab right there is facing down on both sides, so it's seated in where it should be. Get this plate back in position. Washer and the nut. We need to put these small Allen head bolts on both sides. Now we have to tighten our axle nuts on both sides. That's that one, and this one is tight. Next we have to slide the axle nut protector back on both sides. And we got to plug in our cable here. And we got these lines to help us. Okay, all together. Now for the zip tie to hold our cables here. The one that was on there was looked like it was 3mm. We have everything back together, all the cables, everything's all tight. So the job is all done, and that's it. That's all there is to fixing a flat on your hub drive e-bike.